Welcome. In this tutorial, I want to introduce you to a node that will help you to share your best experiences with Badvisor. Here, I have a scene ready with some animations to change the color and overlay elements. So if you want to, let's say, set a configuration and want to share it, here, we need to have a save configuration node, but we need to check some steps before that. In the animation nodes, I need to make sure that the track event is enabled first. So here I go through all the nodes, and if you have all the nodes open, simply press Alt and 1 to close them all. Open the overlays, and now you can link the Save Configuration node to your button, and if you open the node, you can click on Naked to hide the UI, and here you can personalize the message. Alright, I can now save the scene and exit. Make sure that the scene is published, and we can try to save the configuration that we want. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and thank you for watching.